Hi! Today I'll show you how to give these custom-built monitor speaker cabinets a nice-looking textured coating finish. This is possible thanks to the AcryTech brand, which helps my DIY audio project. I want to say a big thank you to them for giving me the opportunity to try DuraTex roller grade texture paint for speaker and subwoofer cabinets. As you might remember from my older project, I used just random colors from a local store, but they never gave me the result I wanted. You know, that cool pro audio coating feel, durable against scratches and protecting speaker enclosures from moisture. Exactly what this DuraTex coating offers. Not all of us have spray guns and air compressors, so it's great that this paint can be applied easily with a simple texture roller. If you remember my last project with the red texture coating for a subwoofer box, that build was also done using DuraTex paint. For me, it was something new, that this coating can actually be tinted to any color you want. For that subwoofer, I didn't use any primer before painting, but the result still turned out amazingly well, especially for a guy with two left hands and less painting experience than my grandmother at a rally. For these powerful monitors, I wanted to try the full process, including using a primer before painting, which improves adhesion and prevents the coating from soaking into the plywood. The painting process is as usual. Start by removing all parts or masking them with painter's tape to avoid roller splatter. Then, begin with wood filler. Slowly fill all screw holes, cabinet imperfections, and uneven spots. My woodworking skills aren't perfect, so there were plenty of defects to fix. Often, filler works best when applied to slightly damp surfaces. Of course, once the wood filler hardens, it must be sanded. It shrinks a bit as it dries. Repeat the process until the surface is as smooth as your patience allows. Next, clean the box surface from dust. A wet cloth works well. And when the box is clean and dry, it's time to apply the primer, which helps the plywood absorb paint evenly. When the primer is dry, it's time for the most beautiful part, applying the finish coating. Take the DuraTex paint, shake or mix it well, and start applying it slowly with a texture roller. It's more relaxing than any therapist session. In this way, calmly and evenly paint both speaker boxes. I already love how these snow-white monitor speakers look. After one day, my boxes are ready to go home, and they look great even with just one layer of DuraTex coating. A heavier second coat will give a more aggressive texture, while adding a small amount of water can reduce the texture for a smoother orange peel finish. The best part is that this coating isn't full of harsh chemicals, so even my grandma won't feel sick when I bring these speakers indoors. Right now, I have only two questions for you. Should I try to make speaker grills for these monitor speakers? And should I make another video showing the full build process of these loud monitor speakers? But for now, I wish you all a great sounding audio setup, and see you in the next video.